If you have a house in Dublin, Ohio that's currently occupied or rented out and you want to sell this property and keep it easy and convenient for yourself, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been buying properties in and around Dublin, Ohio, and we'll buy the property even if it's occupied or leased out. You don't have to do anything. You don't need to go through any eviction or vacate the property before we can close on the property, and we make it extremely easy because we're actually a true cash buyer for the property. So what that means is we don't need to go through and with all these different formal inspections and appraisals. That's only going to disrupt the situation with the person that's living there. When you work with us, we're going to keep it extremely easy. We can close on it in its as-is condition. We're not going to request any repairs, any tenant cleanup, or anything whatsoever. And we're not relying on a bank approval. Since it's not a bank loan, we don't need to send the bank through there and get qualified and then, reach out to you, the seller, for credits to make repairs. It's a very seamless and easy transaction. We've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people in the area. We got great reviews and testimonials because we keep it simple. We buy these properties in their as-is condition. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. So if you have a property in or around Dublin, Ohio that you want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, you can call us at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. When you call us and when we get on the phone, it's a very simple conversation. We're going to be discussing your tenant-occupied property in Dublin, Ohio, and we just need to know more about the property and then know more about any timeline that you're currently experiencing. Since we're a true cash buyer, we could close quickly if need be. We can create flexibility if that's what you're looking for. Whatever the case may be, we're going to keep a very simple conversation. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property. There's never going to be any pressure or fake tactics or fake urgency. No, we're here local. We are local neighbors to you, and we're going to be fair to you, and we just want to have a genuine conversation. We'll let you know what your options are. Even if we're not a good fit for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure or obligations on your end. So if you have a tenant-occupied property in or around Dublin, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.